Kling AI review. Is this AI worth it? Let's get started. So Kling AI is an advanced AI video generator specializing in text to video, image to video, and multi-element editing, removing objects or characters mid-video. It also produces HD cinematic clips with smooth, realistic motion and is accessible through a web dashboard with a free and subscription tier. So let's talk about its pros and cons. So first, it offers cinematic motion and prompt accuracy. It also has a great image to video and element editing. It also has an HD support and intuitive UI and varied pricing options. The cons though, it has slow feature generation, it has a high credit consumption and pricing, and they have stability and quality inconsistencies, which have limited audio and higher res formats. So pick Kling AI if you need cinematic quality prompt accurate short videos and are okay paying for faster results, even with some hiccups. But avoid expectations if you're on a budget sensitive and need long clips or audio or can't tolerate playback delays or inconsistency.